What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Nvidia stock. What I want to take a look at here is starting with the weekly time frame. Okay, so I want to start with the overall macro picture. Today, another nasty day in the stock market before that end of day reversal. Here's one thing that I do want to point out. On the big reversals that we have, normally it's like 1 hour candle, and normally it's towards the end of the day. That's the kind of shit that's going to happen in a bear market, guys. We're going to flush. I mean, things were absolutely bloody on the streets. If you're a day trader or a scalper, congratulations to everyone who made money on the downside today. If you're a longer term investor, I understand your pain that you're going through right now. So what I'm kind of looking at here on Nvidia's weekly time frame is we're below the 100-day simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Our next support level is $141. Now, do we get down there? It's quite possible. One thing that I did not like about today's close on Nvidia, because of that end of day last hour rally, is that it put us in the middle of a range. So we're underneath supply, we're over demand, and we're not close to either one of them. If we kind of just look at this week's candle, the way we finished up, this is an indecision candle here. Market bulls don't know if they're gonna, bulls don't know if they're going to grab their balls. The bears are like, we're tired of selling. You guys are not picking up the ball. What's going on here? We kind of just finished, in the middle of no man's land. I would have rather finished at the bottom of the range, closer to like this price of 157. So that way, you know what? Let's just get that early washout Monday, Tuesday. Let's get the washout into 142 and let's bounce this puppy, right? But all this does here is set up a big indecision day for Monday. I have a feeling that Monday is going to be very, very choppy. It's definitely going to trap longs. It's going to trap shorts. It's going to look like the market is going lower. Market's going to look like it's going higher. Realistically, it really doesn't do anything. So what do we really realistically need for Nvidia? Nvidia needs to reclaim its 5-day moving average on the weekly time frame. That price is sitting at around $182. Or it needs to lose the lows of today. Let's look at the daily time frame here. So if we kind of look at this daily time frame as to where we kind of closed, we came down to the lower Bollinger Band and tested the lows here from 512. As soon as we got down into this zone, we started that aggressive bounce. Yes, this is a hammer candle. However, it did run into the 5 and 10-day moving average and get rejected. What we would be looking for, if there is sort of, mini bounce, if you are looking to take a day trade, it needs to take out today's highs, and those prices are let's call it like $174. Over 174 does have room into the 20-day moving average, as well as this Bollinger Band here. Let's call it 182 to 184. And obviously we know the line in the sand to the downside. We need to lose 155. 155 definitely has room down to 140. Also keep in mind, we do have Nvidia earnings. So is this going to be the start of some sort of dead cat relief rally bounce? Even if we do get an aggressive rally, guys, sometime next week, and especially off of earnings, even though we bounce, guys, we're under so much macro level of supply here that it doesn't, like, Nvidia doesn't even look good until it gets back into the 200s. That's just being completely honest. If you look at all of these supply zones, these are all going to be rejection spots, all going to get choppy in this area. It's going to get choppy in here. It's going to get rejected here. It's come back down, get rejected here, come back down. It's a mess, guys. This is an absolute mess. The only thing that I can say about this bear market is that, unlike the COVID kind of breakdown, that quick 3-week breakdown that we had before we ripped up, which was very fast, very painful for only a little bit of time, but it was also very profitable on the come up, is that this is taking a long time here, and it's going to be a more slow and methodical drawdown. Big bounces, everyone gets happy, another flush. Big bounce, get happy, another flush. Trade sideways, we're going higher, no, we flush. So, it is respecting technical levels pretty well. Every time we do get rejected at a supply zone, we tend to roll through the lows and make new lows. And then when we do get up to any sort of macro level of supply, we kind of get pinned under that. The big level here, 184. You can see here, once we lost a 20-day moving average on the daily time frame, that price was 258. I teach a lot of my guys in the Discord about the 20 SMA, how important it is. Guys, look at this 20 play here on 5-4. Any guys in my Discord that are watching this video, look at the 20 play here. That's what we call it. Look at the 20 play here on 5-4. Should have swung this, right? I mean, just look at the move. The price was 257. We're currently trading at 166. That's a 100-point move. Anyways, with that being said, guys, make sure to subscribe to the Discord. Also, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys all on the inside.